Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I make this video here to help show you how to handle equations that have these fractional types of powers on them. So we're going to take a look at the following two examples, this one and this one. And all right, so let's look this thing over, and you see how this is x to the 1/2, and notice this is x to the first. An important thing to realize is this is equal to this thing squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this substitution here. We're going to let z equal x to the 1/2, because this will become a z and this will become a z squared, and we'll end up with a quadratic. So this is now going to read z squared minus 5z plus 6 equals 0. All right, and now we have an equation here that looks hopefully somewhat more familiar. It's quadratic. In fact, this one kind of looks like it factors. Let's see here. Z, or maybe it doesn't. Oh yeah, all right, z minus 3, z minus 2. Yep, that works. Okay, so we've got this thing factored, and now we have two solutions. Z is equal to 3, or z is equal to 2. But remember, z is not what we're after x. So we have x to the 1/2 equals 3, or x to the 1/2 equals 2. Now this is solved by squaring both sides, so we're going to end up with x equals 9, or, and squaring both sides here, x equals 4. And if you're wondering about the squaring both sides, if you write this in radical form, it's square root of x equals 3. So that would be solved again by squaring both sides. So I've got two solutions out of that thing. All right, let's take a look at this one. So this x to the 2/3 minus 1. Well, a good substitution that would help us out here is this. Let's let z equal x to the 1/3, because what will happen is this term right here is x to the 1/3 squared. So this will become a z squared. So I have z squared minus 1 equals 0. Then this is easily solvable for z. So we're going to have z squared equals 1. So z equals plus or minus 1. Now we got to take our two solutions and go back through our substitution here. So one possibility is that x to the 1/3 equals 1. Cubing both sides, you get x equals 1. Other possibility is that x to the 1/3 x to the 1/3 equals minus 1. Cubing both sides, we get x equals minus 1. Get rid of that. All right, so just wanted to make this video here to provide a couple examples of how to handle these types of powers in some of these algebraic equations. I hope that this has helped. Have a great day.